A new software update is rolling out for the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. This is a security patch update. After installing this, the mobile phone is updated to the June security patch. The size of this update is around 571 MB. The mobile is currently running on One UI 7.0. I started downloading the update. If you observe here, the installation process has changed in Samsung mobiles. Previously, it would download the update and install it. But now, first it downloads, then does a verification. After that only it shows the restart now option. The main objective of posting these software update videos, especially for these mobile phones, is to check whether the update is good or not, followed by any problems I notice after using the mobile phone for 24 hours. This S25 series is supported for 7 years of Android and security updates, which I'm going to test and post about every month for the next 7 years. This is what I have in my mind right now. I never know what's going to happen in the future. Even the S24 also follows the same route. I have the S24 FE with me, but still that mobile hasn't received the update. I'll share that mobile's update as well once it gets released. I successfully updated the mobile phone and used it for about 24 hours. There are no issues I noticed and no data wipe happened during the installation. No glitches, errors or green line issues which happened to some previous models. The mobile phone got hot during the update process, but after 30 minutes it cooled down and there were no battery drain issues. I'm getting the same battery backup as before, even the idle drain is also the same.